Hey everyone, I have something a little bit different for you today. I had a comment on one of my videos about cutting with a rotary cutter and what you can do to reduce the slipping of your ruler when you're cutting so that you can maintain that nice straight line. So I decided to start a new series that I am going to call Unlikely Sewing Tools. And today we are going to be talking about surgical tape. Surgical tape is available on Amazon, and I'll pop a link in the description for you. But basically, it's a plastic tape that has bumps on it that you can put on the back of your ruler that will stop it from sliding around on your material. This ruler here doesn't have any of the tape on the back, and you can see when I slide it, it moves a lot on the back of this vinyl. This one that does have the tape takes a lot more pressure to get it to move. So if I just touch it lightly, it barely moves at all. This one, touching it lightly, still slides around. So you can pop that on the back of your rulers, and then that will stop that from sliding as much when you are using your rotary cutter. And it doesn't interfere with the visibility, and then that will just help you maintain some stability in your cutting. I also have this suction cup shower handle. Now, I will be honest with you, I don't use that very much, but I know some people do use that. And when you're using your bigger rulers, if you have trouble putting the pressure on that ruler to hold it in place, you can put one of these suction cup handles on, press it down on the plastic, click it into place, and then that holds your ruler for you so that you can get a better grip on that ruler as you're cutting with your rotary cutter. So that is another unlikely tool that may help you keep that ruler in place. So if you grab the surgical tape and you just peel a bit off, tear it off, it tears really easily, and you just stick it on the back of your ruler, nice and smooth, in a few different places. And then when you put your ruler onto your fabric, it doesn't slide around as much when you're trying to cut. So let's see how that goes. I'm just going to cut a 4-inch strip of this vinyl. This is the fabric side of the vinyl. If you are working on this side, it does slide a little more than it does on the back. So that's something else to consider, is the particular material that you're using, if it's going to be easier to cut it from the back than from the front. The smoother the surface, the more slippery it's going to be. And I'm just going to cut a 4-inch wide strip that I will use as a vinyl strap. And there, with the combination of the added friction from this tape with the vinyl slippery side down and the downward pressure on that ruler, I was able to cut that strap with very minimal slipping. And then again, if putting the downward pressure is hard for you, you can pop one of these suction cup things on, and then you can just hold that in place a little easier, and then you just do the same thing, cutting against that ruler with your rotary cutter. So hopefully that helps. If slipping with your rotary cutter is something that gives you trouble, you can try both this surgical tape and one of these suction cup handles to make your life a little easier. Hope that helps. Thanks, everyone.